Hi guys, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Today I am going to talk about one amazing platform that you all need to be there, and it is not Instagram, it is not YouTube, it is LinkedIn. It has changed my life. I got to connect with so many people out there, amazing people, those who have achieved so much out there, CEOs of various shipping companies, technical managers, fleet managers. मैं कभी उनसे कभी नहीं मिल सकता. Somebody was in Hong Kong, Dubai, US, and out here on LinkedIn today I'm connected with them. I can showcase what I'm doing to them. I can see what they are doing, and if at all I have to learn from them, I can do that. Why is it important for you? Say if you want to send merchant navy, you want to grow big in life, you want to search for jobs, you want to make amazing networks, because guys, network is a net worth, and हम जहाजी लोग ये नहीं समझते. So out here, tomorrow this network can help you get an amazing job. Tomorrow this network can help you get into a good sure opportunity. Tomorrow this network can help you land up an amazing job which you could have never thought about, because people will know you, they have seen your work, and marketing is very important, guys. So without wasting any time, let me showcase to you my profile today. So guys, this is my LinkedIn profile. दिस इज माई होम पेज. सो मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज कि आपकी प्रोफाइल कैसे बनती है. मैंने कोई ट्यूटोरियल नहीं किया गाइस. द बेस्ट थिंग दैट आई कैन टेल यू कैन सी दिस बैनर आउट हेयर. प्रणीत मेहता, अ लर्नर, अ स्ट्रगलर, अ बिलीवर, मर्चेंट नेवी डिकोडेड ऑन अ मिशन. दिस इज माई बैनर एंड अ प्रोफेशनल फोटो दैट आई कुड. एक सूट बूट के अंदर एक प्रोफेशनल फोटो इन अ ड्रेस, नॉट अ कैजुअल वन, इज इंपॉर्टेंट. Then out here you can see Praneet Mehta, my name, and something brief about me, which is entrepreneur, ex-chief engineer at Anglo-Eastern, mission to create a community for seafarers where right guidance is easily available. This is about me. On the right hand side you can see what am I doing. Come down below, it is about me written out here. In 2007 I started my selling career. In detail, whatever I could have given in detail, I have given it out here, so that if anyone visits my profile, they can see in about what is it saying. Then down below, if you come out here, I've shared my experiences कि भाई मैं मर्चेंट नेवी डिकोडेड. इट्स बिन 4 years as a director of JMD Academy, 7 years. I worked in Anglo-Eastern for 9 years, 5 months as a chief engineer. What all I did, as a second engineer, what all I did, as a third engineer, what all I did. Then fourth year I was BP full time. Before that I was fourth engineer with Sea Land Ship Management. Apart from that, my education at Marine Engineering Research Institute. Before that, St. Joseph's Academy. The skills that I have got. So I took my time to build my profile. Random nahi banai. Today you have got Chat GPT. Write something and tell them to give you something in very simple, not amazing, but and it has to be honest and genuine. ये नहीं कि you have worked as a fourth engineer से कि मैंने तो $1 million बचाए. Don't do that. Be honest. Be genuine. Sometimes people like who you are, and it has to be from the core of your heart. Just do that. Yes, it's a professional website, but at the end of the day, it is all about building connections, and connections only happen when they are from over here. That is from the heart. So genuine likhiye, and you can go through my profile to know how much time I have given. Second thing is, guys, out here आपने एक amazing profile बना रही, then you have to start connecting with people. So how you do that, I'll show you an example. What I do is, guys, I made this message, शायद 300 words के अंदर होना चाहिए. I'll show you. So I sent this lovely message to an underwriter at UK P&I Club and said, hello, I am Praneet Mehta, ex-chief engineer and now an entrepreneur with a vision and mission to connect the maritime community. People like you are an inspiration to many. I aim to connect with leaders like you on LinkedIn to continue the process of learning and growing. So I find these people and I send these messages. So question is, how do I find these people? Say right now I am searching for people who are in P&I Club. So I search P&I Club out here. So all those people out here in P&I Club, I'll say people out here, and I see, okay, there is this person who is at charters, this underwriter, and I will send a connection request. Say founders, you had grow more impacts. Say X head P&I Club. So say I want to connect with people at P&I Club. I search out here and I will connect with them, and I will send them similar request. Similarly, say I am searching for connection to be made with people who are in say technical managers or technical superintendents. So I go ahead and I make connections over here with people in superintendents. So I search here and I search people, and I get say a technical superintendent out here, annual technical superintendent similarly out here. Say I am searching for a specific shipping company. Say I am looking for a job in a company, say a certain cruise line, say Carnival Cruise Lines. So I search here Carnival Cruise Lines, and I search people, and I find so many people out here at different ranks, and I try to connect with them. I share my vision. I try to learn with them, maybe get their connection, maybe get their phone numbers and connect with them. So isn't it an amazing way to connect out with people? That is what I did. So initially I was connecting with chief engineers and technical managers and superintendents and fleet managers, then looking at companies. But the first thing that I did was I started connecting with people who are from my college, like Marine Engineering and Research Institute, and from my school. And I started sending them requests because they were the easiest people, that those who would have connected with me. It looks odd यार कि सिर्फ 4 लोग हैं हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं. कम से कम 200-400 लोग तो कहाँ से आएंगे? आपके कॉलेज से आएंगे, और they will come from your school, and similarly from your company. Say you are working in XYZ shipping company, and when you search out here you can find the C and you can connect. Sir, I have recently joined a company, I would love to connect with you. So now say you connect with them, now you have made an amazing connection. Now how to showcase your work, how to sell yourself, this comes by writing posts, guys. So if you check my profile, you will see that I keep writing posts all the time. If you see my activity out here, show all posts, and you will see that I keep writing posts. From 3 days ago I wrote a post, then 4 days ago I wrote a post, 6 days ago I wrote a post, 1 week ago, matlab in 1 week I wrote around 3 to 4 posts, and 4 posts. Then 2 weeks ago, you can see out here, 2 weeks ago. So guys, I keep writing, I keep sharing what I learned. Maybe you're reading an amazing book, you share about that. Today you learned something new about shipping, share that. The biggest thing you have to do is you have to stop thinking what people think. Showcase what you are learning, and there will be a lot of people saying, "Ye kya kar raha hai? Kyun kar raha hai?" It has happened with me as well. Don't give a damn. Do what feels right, and then keep introspecting whether you can make it better or not. This is what I did. What is the right time that I should put the post? Ideally, I'll give you some suggestions. Try to post on LinkedIn every Monday or Wednesday or Friday. The time should be around 9 a.m. The thing is, use proper hashtags, say merchant navy, say ships and shipping, hashtag ship and shipping. So search which I have got the maximum volume. But should have, the story should have a connection. The story should have a learning lesson. Sirf yahi nahi, today I got promoted to 4th engineer. I'm not interested in knowing that. Fine, a few likes will be there. Fine, okay, it's a professional website. I'm happy to see that. But maybe you can give it more to the society as well. So people who are looking forward, as a 4th engineer, what did you do? So out here, guys, if you really want to grow in life, LinkedIn can really help you. It has helped me immensely. So that is why out here with 22,000 followers in around 2.5 years, I would say, and I've been consistent out here. ऐसा नहीं कि मेरे जोश में आके 3 दिन लिखा और चौथे दिन बंद कर दिया. And the first thing that you can do is you can start following me by एक बार देखो कि मैं क्या लिख रहा हूँ. If you connect, fine. And most important thing, start commenting on people's posts, those who like, मतलब जिनको आप अच्छा मानते हो. Say there is one person, like say I am trying to feel this person's attention. So whenever he is posting something, I'll share a comment. Sir, I agree with you. Or if you do not agree, you have to share why you do not agree. So that person knows here, this is the person who is commenting out here. Say a certain CEO of a shipping company. Fine, just not a like. Maybe a comment. Agreed, sir. But if you can put a valid point, great. If you can repost, say you saw somebody's post, and if you can repost it, like I'll show you. I saw somebody's post out here, which I thought I'll repost. And I did that. I'll show you, show all posts. So out here, Abhijit Chakrabarti wrote something and I reposted it. So you can immediately do that as well. So guys, this is one simple thing that I would love to share with you. I want you to come out here, start connecting with people. You can always try to connect with me. I'm always open. But send me a lovely post that why should I connect with you. And you can also share, sir, I'm here because I saw your YouTube video. I would love to be a connection. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata.